Hey guys, what's up? It's Jess from Cut You Down the Trail. Right now, I'm in mine and Luke's room, and we are seasonal workers. So what that means is we sign up to do contractual jobs, different seasons of the year. They typically last between 3 to 5 months. We've worked in several different national parks, at a dude ranch, and now we're at a really nice resort on Lake Champlain in Vermont called Basin Harbor. Typically what happens is you sign up for a job. That's a job you're going to do all season. I'm the concierge here. Luke is a bellman, and you get to live on property. We pay $97 every 2 weeks, each of us. And that gives us this nice private room. We get a private bathroom here and 3 meals a day. But I just thought that I would give you guys a little room tour here. There's not really a lot of videos showcasing seasonal life and kind of what it looks like once you get there. So far, we've really enjoyed this place. We think our housing is awesome, and it's pretty comparable to other places we've worked. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little tour and show you what you might be getting into if you sign up to do a seasonal job that provides housing. Without further ado, here's our room. So this is the outside of our house. We have our own parking spots here, and there's probably about 14 people that live within this building. We all have our own separate entrances and our own separate rooms with bathrooms in them. Ours is right here on the bottom floor, and this is what it looks like inside. Come on in. So when you first walk in here, we have this nice little table that Luke's friend sent us. It's kind of just a catch-all. Luke keeps bones over here that he gives to all the dogs that are on property. We keep our cooler in here in case we want to do a quick transfer from our mini fridge and go camping or out for the day. This dresser came with the room, and we can fit all of our clothes in there. We have a bunch of snacks, cleaning supplies, my glasses, sunglasses, cooking utensils. This is our closet. It came with all the coat hangers. It also came with this little organizer here. We have way more stuff than like what it looks like when we're in the van. But yeah, we also got this mini fridge. My friends Nikki and Joe are getting married, so I put that up there, our name tags. We also got this little microwave too with the room. Just a map of the property. We kept it up here our first couple of days and never took it down so we could get oriented. We keep our backpacks hanging up here so they're out of the way. This little mirror came with the room. But this is a scarf here that I had, and we put it in front of the window because there's a light outside that shines super bright, and that just kind of helps block it out without making it totally dark in the daytime like a blackout curtain. This wall, I have all my junior ranger badges from the different national park sites we've gone to. Above our bed, we've got some postcards, and we even have some more over here. They're just really cute and efficient ways to decorate and pack up really nice and small when we're traveling. This bed came with our room. It's pretty comfy. It is a full-size bed. Typically, we have 2 twins and we have to push them together. So this is really nice. There's not a crack running down the middle. I've got my pig here that my sister has too, and we act like when we're hugging it, we're hugging each other. My mom made our comforter, and then my friend Kylie gave me this blanket as a gift. We got 2 pillows that came with the room, and we brought 2 of our own. These here are our moon lounge chairs. We got these off Amazon. I had one that was like this. It was orange and it broke after 2 years, so I would highly recommend these. They pack up super small and compact. They each weigh like a pound each when they're collapsed. Great for... And with this lamp, and this nightstand that has 4 different drawers on it. We just keep like junk in there, electronics, extra books, you know, what have you. Keep our books here. I'm reading the Lincoln Highway right now. A must-have if you're doing seasonal work, lots of books. This is our bathroom. We got a lot of junk on the back of the toilet. This little rack came with the bathroom, so we keep like extra towels, Luke's razor. I got this little hanging basket that we brought with us that I put like our brushes and lotion in. This is our sink. Use a mug as a toothbrush holder. Little life hack there. Yeah, pretty basic in here. We've got a little 1-stall shower here. Nice and tiny. Your butt cheeks will definitely touch the curtain when you're showering. And then there's this little cove back here. We just use it for our dirty laundry, but you could probably put like some storage there if you needed to. So as you can see, easy little room here. Majority of the furniture came with the place. I would highly recommend these chairs. It's nice to have somewhere to sit if you're going to do a seasonal job. Always ask what's going to be in your room. Ask if there's Wi-Fi included. We have Wi-Fi here, but when we worked in the Everglades, there wasn't Wi-Fi, so we bought a little hotspot down there, which was helpful. Pricing is going to differentiate where you go. Some places are going to have full apartments for you, and other places, like when we were in Sequoia, it was just a room and we had a community bathroom to live in. Some places are more dorm-like, so it's really just varying depending on where you go. I will let you know here where we're working in Vermont, no two rooms are the same, so everybody has different accommodations when it comes to housing, but generally you're going to have a bed, you're going to have a dresser. I've always had a mini fridge, and we've done 5 of these jobs, but that's varying too. So make sure you ask before you go, because you might need one. Other than that, yeah, let me know if you have any questions, comment below, and we'll catch you down the trail.